Why consistency matters in exercise.
Building a consistent exercise habit is essential for lasting results. Regular physical activity helps improve health, mood, and overall energy. But starting is often easier than maintaining momentum. Understanding why consistency outweighs perfection can help shift your mindset from quick fixes to a sustainable, rewarding routine that supports long-term well-being.
Step 1. Set clear and achievable goals.
Define what you want to achieve and be realistic about it. Whether it's walking 20 minutes a day or completing 3 workouts a week, concrete and attainable goals give you direction. Avoid vague promises and focus on measurable targets. This makes tracking progress easier and keeps motivation high as you celebrate small wins along the way.
Step 2. Start small and build gradually.
Begin with manageable workouts and slowly increase intensity or duration. Trying to do too much at once can lead to burnout or injury. Instead, commit to short sessions you know you can maintain, such as a daily walk or a few sets of exercises at home. As these become habits, you can gently ramp up your routine.
Step 3. Schedule your workouts.
Treat your exercise sessions like important appointments. Decide when and where you'll work out each week and put it on your calendar. Consistent scheduling reduces the chance you'll skip sessions and helps exercise fit naturally into your daily routine, making it a non-negotiable part of your lifestyle.
Step 4. Track your progress and celebrate wins.
Keep a simple log of your workouts. Seeing your progress, whether it's more steps taken, increased weights, or a growing exercise streak, boosts motivation. Celebrate achievements no matter how small. Recognizing your effort reinforces positive behavior and reminds you just how far you've come.
Step 5. Plan for obstacles and stay flexible.
Anticipate common barriers like busy schedules or low motivation. Have backup plans such as at-home routines or shorter sessions when time is tight. Remember, missing a workout isn't failure. Adjust and get back on track. Flexibility ensures you keep moving forward, even when life doesn't go as planned.
Building your lasting exercise habit.
Consistency is built with patience and persistence. By setting clear goals, starting small, scheduling workouts, tracking your progress, and staying flexible, you lay the foundation for a lifetime of healthy movement. Every step counts. Start where you are and let your new habit grow steadily and confidently.